Hi, I'm Kathryn Ward. I'm the production manager here for FSOil, and I'm going to be showing you what we do in our post-processing refinement areas. Once the crude is extracted, we bring it into our post-processing refinement areas in order to remove the waxes, lipids, additional chlorophyll, and other compounds from the oil. So we have many processes in order to continue to refine our extract. Here behind me, these are our dissolving tanks where we will dissolve the crude in ethanol in order to separate out the waxes and fats through winterization. These are our vacuum filters. They've been custom designed and fitted in order to remove the waxes and fats. The solution goes in the top and is separated out with a coffee filter. We have a vacuum pulling the solution into our collection flask right here. This is our falling film evaporator. We use this to recover the solvent from the solution that comes out of the filters and separate the oil from the ethanol. This is one of our glass reactors. We use this in order to activate the CBD through a process called decarboxylation. We also purge out any remaining ethanol and homogenize at the same time. Here behind me is one of our thin film distillation pieces of equipment. We use this for additional refinement. There are wiper blades inside of here, and as the product goes through, it gets heated up. This allows us, again, to separate out any additional compounds, chlorophyll, waxes that may still be in the extract, and get a nice, clean, high-potency product. The final step of our process is sampling and sending off to a third-party laboratory to get a certificate of analysis for the oil. We take great pride in the quality of our extract and do not spare any steps. We want to make sure that we are doing everything we can to stay competitive in the market. Next, I'm going to be handing it off to Jason, who's our chromatography lead, and he'll be explaining some of our additional processes.